So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you're new, hello, welcome. Sorry for my wigless appearance, but as you can tell from the title of today's video, we're going to be doing a synthetic lace-run mystery wig haul from the brand Webster Wigs. I recently did just do another mystery wig haul from the brand Lush Wigs, which I will link down below. I think that video was a resounding fail and the hair I got wasn't particularly great. So today I'm hoping for something a little bit better. Today we are dabbling into the world of lace-front wigs, so I'm expecting a lot higher quality, and I trust the quality from Webster Wigs. It's one of the websites where I buy a lot of my different hair from, along with Eva Hair, Weekend Wigs and Everyday Wigs. So I kind of know the quality and what I'm expecting from them. Their wigs that I normally buy are around £70, where this was like a little mystery wig like bundle you could buy, where you got 3 mystery wigs for £120, so it's like £40 each, whereas it's normally £70 to kind of pick my choice. So I was like, oh, it sounds like a complete bargain. What could really go wrong? You did get the choice to pick a short wig or a long wig, so I chose 3 long wigs since I'm a size queen girl, I need that length. So yeah, let's dive into it, shall we? Getting sidetracked, I've had way too much coffee today. Also, quick side note, this video isn't sponsored or anything. I paid for it with my own money, so all the wigs from Webster Wigs do arrive in these like little cloth bags, and you do get a wig cap per one. But just like with Lush Wigs, on the receipt it literally just says mystery wig bundle. It tells you no details about like the wig or the like style or colour or anything. So it's also nice that you do get like the little like polystyrene like packaging-y stuff and the hairnet. And this is what wig number 1 looks like. She looks very frizzy and curly, which is not particularly like my go-to or personal style. I don't think it's particularly flattering, and she is a very like rich kind of brown colour, which again I don't particularly go for that kind of colour scheme, but I think that's why it's good to do this mystery wig kind of shopping thing, since it takes me out of my comfort zone. And yeah, obviously they are all lace front wigs, so you do get a decent amount of lace like to the wig, as well as them having like the same like internal combs and everything as all Webster wigs are kind of like. So yeah, I'm just going to cut the lace and pop it on my head, and we will see what she looks like. I actually don't think it looks as bad as what I was originally thinking it was going to look like, especially with this kind of like negligee nighttime kind of affair. I think like the more like kinky hair kind of works with it. I am actually quite happy with how this wig looks. It's not something that I would ever pick for myself. If I saw this on the website, there was no way I would pick it. But I think the mystery wig hauls are good for that, because I'm stepping outside my comfort zone. Brown hair is not normally something I go for, and I never normally go for texture, but I'm actually kind of living for it. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. I actually really quite like the way this like wig looks and sits, and the length and everything. Like I said, I want to use her for my Scary Spice transformation, so yeah, I kind of like the texture and colour and everything a lot more than I thought I would. And she seems like really full and decent quality and movable, and yeah, I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this wig. Let's move on to wig number 2 and pray that we have the same success. Okay, so wig number 2 looks like a really strange and unique colour, and I think it's gonna look absolutely horrific with the outfit I have on. She looks like a really weird like mossy green colour with like orange, yellow and like lighter green highlights. Like I don't know if the camera's picking up like the actual like colour of her, but I love the hair texture and length and everything. I think this is the style Lily, which is normally what I buy like all my Webster wigs in that style of, but yeah, she's a really unique and different colour. I am living for the colour green, so she might be featured in my like Pride series or a green transformation or something in the future, but yeah, she's different, girl. I'm just gonna cut the lace on her and then pop her on my head, and I'll be right back. But again, I don't think I would ever like purchase this wig for myself if I saw it normally, so we'll see how she looks. So this is how wig number 2 looks on. She is so different. I definitely don't own a single wig that is this like colour scheme or anything at all. She's like a really like deep kind of like mossy earthy green with yellow and lighter green highlights, which I think is really cool. I don't think I actually ever saw a wig really like this on their website. I believe it's the colour Amazon on their website, but I have no idea. I think it's actually stunning. I don't think with this makeup or this outfit it particularly does it justice, but I think if I went for more like cool toned or grungy or around Halloween and did like really dramatic dark makeup, I think this wig would be like top notch. But yeah, as for quality and everything, she's really nice. She is beautiful, stunning, high quality wigs like I generally expect from Webster Wigs. So yeah, I actually kind of live for this wig, a lot more than I thought. So far, 2 out of 2 wins, absolutely living for this little mystery wig haul. I'm definitely stepping outside my comfort zone. And then finally, we have wig number 3. Again, like I've said, I'm not the biggest fan of this kind of texture, but I think I can steam her and like straighten her out to kind of get rid of that texture and just have a gorgeous long blonde wig. So I think we're on to a winner with this one. This hair kind of reminds me of Shakira like this, but I'm gonna cut the lace and pop it on my head. So yeah, this is the wig on. Like I said, I would definitely like straighten and sleek out this wig, and I think we're on to a complete winner. I think the root maybe looks a little bit dark against the hair color and clashes maybe a little bit, but yeah, overall I think the quality again is amazing and she just seemed quite cute. I think I would just definitely restyle her a little bit and we're on to a winner, girl. So yeah, that completes my mystery wig haul from the brand Webster Wigs. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other videos you want to see from me, and don't forget to subscribe to our bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. There should be one new video every single Monday, 8 PM Greenwich Mean Time. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.